In this inside outside of the class 2 cavities and restorations, I am going to take up correction of blocked interdental space of conjoint class 2 cavities. Detailed procedure with video depiction. This is the occlusal as well as the side view of the blocked space. Look how it's covering the whole interdental space of 3637. We presume that it's a whole tooth and start making class 2 cavity in first molar, first the occlusal surface followed by the proximal. Now we take up the second molar. The proximal area was further deepened for both the cavities in 3.6 as well as in 3.7. Many times still pictures were taken to see what has been removed and what has been left. After this, the blocked area was approached and ground. This part of the grinding was done very carefully so that the sound surface of the tooth is not ground. After thinning the composite, the remainder part is lifted with help of a probe. When the composite filling becomes thin, it's very easy to lift it up and take this out. Look how the portion comes out so easily after thinning the composite. Same procedure was done for the lingual surface. And now, proper class 2 cavity with flat gingival step was prepared so that class 2 band can be fitted tightly to the gingival wall. Just observe a very wide interdental space between 3.6 and 3.7. First, final filling DO in 3.6 was done using spring matrix with Teflon tape packed between matrix band and the MO cavity in 3.7 to approximate band with 3.6 tightly. That's the spring matrix with the band around 3.6 and Teflon tape between band and 3.7. Further, the MO in 3.7 was done with pre-contoured band and Garrison matrix holder green. Just observe the well-contoured 3.6 DO and 3.7 MO. Post-restorative radiographic view.